Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to bring you an easy eyebrow routine that costs you only $2. I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil from the Dollar Tree. It costs $1 and I have it in the shade dark brown. And I'm going to be using an eyebrow shaper that you can get from your beauty supply store, also for $1. So altogether $2 and you can get your eyebrows, snatched. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so that you can see exactly what I'm doing on my brows because you're kind of far away. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, hopefully you can see me. Yeah, I know I'm blind. Okay, and now I don't have my glasses on. All right, so I'm gonna use this elf lash wand. I think this is $1 as well, so I'm gonna use this and shape my eyebrows. And of course, I'm going to use my elf primer, eyelid primer in sheer. This is $2, but you don't have to do this. I just do it so that my brows don't go anywhere. You can skip this step and still, have nice looking eyebrows. Okay. So rub that in, then go back over it again with your spoolie. Okay, now we're going to go in with the eyebrow shaper that you can also get from your beauty supply store, $1, and clean up any excess hairs that might be under your brow or on top of your brow. So really take your time so that you don't shave off too much and then your brows are looking crazy and now you're sad because you're missing half of your brow. Okay, brush them again just to make sure that any hairs that you shaved off are out of the way. Okay, and now we're gonna go in with the Dollar LA Colors brow pencil. If I can open it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just a regular pencil that you will have to sharpen, and again it's in the shade dark brown. Hopefully this matches my brow hairs, because I didn't want to get black, and I think this was the darkest color next to black. So just this, and it comes with a little brush here, but I probably would never use that brush. So what you want to do is, starting on the bottom of your brow, let me face this way so you can see exactly. Starting on the bottom of your brow, you're going to trace the shape of your brow. Okay, Then you're going to move to the top and starting about right here on your brow, trace the top. Okay. All right. Now that you have traced your brow, outlined your brow, you want to fill in any blank areas. So you just start filling in. And again, never go to the front of your brow. Start about right here and just fill it in. And we're going to move to this side and do the same thing. Okay. Then you go back to your spoolie and blend everything together. All of those not brush strokes, all of those strokes that you did with the pencil, you want to blend everything so that it looks nice and neat. When you're brushing, if you see any mistakes or empty spaces, you can go in and fix that. Okay. And then from here, you can go in with some concealer, and I don't have any of the what is it, LA Girl Pro Conceal, so I'm just gonna use, okay, whatever, I can't find the brush that I normally use, so I'm just gonna use this Wet n Wild brush, which is also $1, and some of my Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline in the shade Caramel. And you just twist it up like this, and then I'm going to dab my brush into it to pick up some of the product that came out. And then go under my brow. Just to clean up and carve out your brow and make it look neater. Okay. I'm gonna use another Dollar Wet n Wild brush and blend out that concealer. Okay, so like I always tell y'all, I really cannot see without my glasses on. So I'm gonna put my glasses back on just to make sure that everything looks even. And to my liking, and I think it's looking okay. Y'all tell me. So this is the finished look. Of course you could skip the concealer step because like sometimes I don't even put concealer under my eyebrow, but you could skip that or you can do it either way. The Dollar Tree did have concealers available by the brand LA Colors, but I'm dark skinned, so no. But they do have concealers available if you do want to try those. And another affordable brand that you could try is the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealers as well. But they had light colors in this one as well as a black. Black was the darkest color. The color after this was medium, well the shade after this was medium, and then they had a few other colors or shades, but I didn't, I know that my eyebrows are not super light, so I didn't even look at those. But yeah, this was actually a pretty good pencil to use. It did have like a waxy coating on it, so you could get that off by just rubbing it on your hand, on the back of your hand first, and then doing your eyebrows, or just go ahead and jump in and do your eyebrows like I did, and it's fine. The shade does have a good color payoff, and it matches my eyebrows pretty well, so I'm actually happy with the way that this turned out. And yeah, that's it. Simple $2 eyebrow routine. Even the brushes you can get from the Dollar Tree for $1. So yeah, I hope this helps somebody that's starting out with their makeup. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comments section below. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next one.